Russian promoters have insisted two Elton John shows will go ahead as planned despite concerns over the country's crackdown on gay rights. In June, President Vladimir Putin signed a national law banning the propaganda of homosexuality to minors. Sir Elton vowed last month to raise the issue on stage when he placed a night's sold-out date in Moscow and a show in the Volga city of Kazan on Saturday. The singer said he also planned to meet with the LGBT community there. Russian promoters, SAV Entertainment, issued a statement reassuring fans that the two shows would be going ahead. Despite the groundless rumors spread by the internet and media that Elton John's concerts in Russia could be cancelled, the organizer assures you that Elton John's shows in Moscow and Kazan will go ahead as planned, it said. Last month, the British singer told CNN that he was going to say something from the stage that's going to be meaningful. But he added that he would be cautious of being overcritical of the president as he did not want to get thrown out of the country, describing the current situation as awful. Obliged to perform. Sir Elton will be the first major Western star known for his support of gay rights to play in Russia since the new law, which critics fear could be used to ban any gay rights event. Last year, both Madonna and Lady Gaga used concerts in St. Petersburg to speak out against similar local legislation. Gaga's promoters were fined last month under a child protection law which includes the ban on gay propaganda. Elton John publicly said he was gay in 1988 and is in a civil partnership with David Furnish, with whom he has two children born to a surrogate mother. In September he told The Guardian that he felt an obligation to perform in Russia so that gay men and women living there did not feel like they were in an isolated situation. As a gay man, I can't leave those people on their own without going over there and supporting them, he told the newspaper. I don't know what's going to happen, but I've got to go. Gay athletes welcome. In Russia, groups such as the Union of Orthodox Brotherhoods and the Euro Parents Committee have publicly spoken out against Sir Elton performing in the country, either through a petition or a letter to Mr. Putin. Russia decriminalized homosexuality in 1993, but its medical institutions continued to class homosexuality as a mental disorder until 1999. A survey by Levada Independent Polling Center in March found that 34% thought homosexuality was an illness that should be treated. With next year's Winter Olympics due to be held in Sochi in Russia, the current law has attracted attention around the world. However, Mr. Putin said in October that gay athletes, fans and guests would be made to feel welcome during the games.